Hi, I'm Courtney,
And I'm Kate.
and we just want to talk a little about how expensive rollerblades are.
Fucking ridiculous.
I thought they would be like $10, $15 tops.
$20 tops.
That was on
the
sale.
expensive side.
Yeah.
No.
I saw some plastic
Not eating.
kids rollerblades for $25.99, and that was
Kids.
25% off.
Those are kids.
Ridic.
Those aren't gonna fit our feet.
Ridic.
Not at all.
I mean, I don't have huge mammoth feet.
but we don't have
but-
little bitty baby feet.
Yeah.
No.
They're clearly too big for that. We wanted to go rollerblading around the park, and I wasn't about to drop some $40 on some rollerblades.
Hell to the no.
I used to have Bobby rollerblades, and those shits were the illest. And they were not $40. I don't think so.
And you want to know what? Let's get started on this conversation. Courtney was looking online. She found rollerblades for
Yeah.
$300.
No, I believe the highest was like $550.
Who the fuck would pay that much money unless you're on fucking roller derby?
I'm not on roller dope. I just wanted to go around the park. That's not even paved well. I could
No.
have broken my
No.
leg on a pebble or something.
We could have tripped over a little hill and broken our ankles and never been able to rollerblade again.
Never.
Ever.
And that would have been $40 down the drain.
I would have been pissed.
I would have been so livid. I would have been verklempt. I wouldn't even know what to do with myself.
The clamp times too.
I don't even know. I don't even know what happened.
Neither do I.
We went walking. We walked a few times around that thing. It was fucking cold
It
out.
was freezing.
Bitterly
Party
clothes.
hats.
Yeah. I was at the party the whole fucking time. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to swear. Me and my potty mouth.
Party.
Well, that's about it. We just wanted to let you all know that rollerblades so expensive.
Don't buy them. We're not contributing to that expense.
No, it probably goes to Donald Trump, and let's face it, he has enough money.
He needs to use that money to buy a new wig.
Yes. Adios.
Bye.